Okay, so here's the deal. If you have a polynomial and you've collected like terms, and you end up with something like 2x squared 2x squared plus 3x plus 8. Okay, and I tell you that x is equal to 3. So then all you have to do is plug that 3 in for x everywhere there's an x. So your answer would be 2 times 3 squared plus 3 times 3 plus 8. So remember exponents first. So 2 times, well, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9 again. And then finally the plus 8. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 9, plus 8. Whoopsie. I just made a mistake. Let's get rid of that line. Okay, so I ran out of room. That'll be 27, 35. So if x is equal to 3, then the answer to that is 35. Say it's slightly trickier, and it says, say, you've collected like terms, and in the end you have and x is equal to negative 2. So then you have to plug in negative 2 there and negative 2 there. Make sure it's in brackets. So negative 3, negative 2 squared plus 5 times negative 2. So we do exponents first. So right there, we have to do that first. So negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. So instead of writing this, you write positive 4. And then 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. So negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. And then plus a negative 10 just becomes negative 10 or minus 10. So the answer is negative 22. That's the answer. Okay. We'll do a fraction one. So say 6x cubed, and x is equal to 1/4. And I wanted you to figure this out. So you plug in 1/4 instead of x, and you have to do exponents first. Everything in that bracket has to be to the exponent of 3. So 1 to the exponent 3 is 1. 4 to the exponent 3 is 4 times 4, which is 16, times 4, which is 64. So now you have 6 times 1 over 64, right? And if you want to make 6 a fraction, you just put it over 1. So 6 over 1 times 1 over 64. So top times top, and bottom times bottom. So it, in the end, is 6 over 64, which can be lowered to 3 over 32. Okay, so that is how you plug in x and solve the equation.